Hey guys, today we're going to learn how to tail the logs of a Docker container. So right here you can see we have a container running Nginx with a port exposed to the host system, and that's going to be Lucid McLean. So let's go ahead and try to check the logs. So the most simple way to do this is just type Docker logs and your container name, Lucid McLean. So there you go. That shows the basically what's in the logs, right? So you can see a few. So this is an Nginx. This is running Nginx, and you can see a few instances here where basically a client was connecting to the web server. So another thing you can do is if you want to continuously tail the logs, like when you use the tail-f command, instead of Docker logs container name, you can say Docker logs-f container name. And now this will continuously tail the logs, and you can watch as new things happen. So I'm going to move another terminal in here, and I'm going to access this. So I'm going to say wget host1 on port 1234. So port 1234 is the port that I exposed the Nginx web server on. So let's try this. Say wget, it will pull it down. So it pulls down a web page. And you can also see that you can see right here, there's another entry here. It says, hey, basically the Nginx server is logging a line showing that it was accessed. So let's see here. Let's try that again just to give you a better idea. Run it a bunch of times and you can see the logs moving as we access it repeatedly. Now, another thing you can do is you can just choose to view a certain, you can go like this, you can choose to view a certain number of lines of the log. So normally running Docker logs will give you all the output like this. Now, if you want to only give, you can say -n and say 10 if you only want the last 10 lines. That's only to give you the latest 10 lines of the log. Or you could do, say, 20 lines if you wanted to, or cut that down to like maybe the last 4 lines, right? So you could do that, and let's see, you could also combine that if you want. You could combine that with a -f. So only get the last 4 lines, but continue following it for any updates. So that's another thing you can do. And what else? All right, so I think that's pretty much everything I wanted to show you about how to tail Docker logs. All right, so hopefully you found this video useful, and you might want to give me a thumbs up. Also, you want to hit that subscribe button because we have a lot more videos like this, and we have a ton of other great tech-related content. We cover a wide variety of things, everything from like Linux to servers, hardware, software, electronics, Raspberry Pis, 3D printing, cryptocurrencies, Linux, Windows, Mac OS, all sorts of great stuff you're not going to want to miss out on. Robots, programming, coding, all that sort of great stuff. Anything DevOps or software developer related, a lot of Linux stuff. So if you don't want to miss out on that stuff and you want your YouTube feed to be all that much better, definitely hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on the great content we have coming up after this. You might want to also check out some of our existing content too. Also, hit the little bell icon, otherwise YouTube won't let you know when we do come out with new videos and you don't want to miss out on those. And also leave a comment down below if you know something that I don't know, or if you have any questions, comments, criticisms, anything you want to say, not just for me but for the next person who watches this video. Definitely leave a comment down below. And that is about it for today. So as always, thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys on that next video.